Grub. Fancy Duds. What a place.
While we're gone, I'm counting on you to answer the phones and wash the truck. And, as a trainee fireman, if there's a real emergency, call on the radio. Don't try to be a hero.
10-4, yes, sir. I'm a trainee, sir. Over and out, Chief. I got the firehouse all to myself. Forget trainee. I'm a fireman. I'm a fireman. Beep, beep, beep. Look out, lady. Don't jump, little fella. I'll save you. You wait right there.
Hey, what's the big idea?
Rock Granite's the name. Saving lives is my game. I'm a real fireman.
Hey, what does a guy have to do around here to chow down, wear a uniform, and zip around in that flashy truck anyway?
So you want to be a fireman? It's not easy, you know.
Yeah, sure. Let's just get to the good stuff.
No firehouse goodies till you prove you've got what it takes to be a real hero, like Rock Granite. And you start out by washing the truck.
What?
Oh, we're gonna have some fun together, you and me. Fire's one thing, but ever rescue a kitten from a tree? Big, fluffy, wuffy ones? What a rush! And between calls, I'll teach you how to crochet pants. Knit one, purl one, drop one.
No grub, no uniform, no driving the truck till I prove I got what it takes? Well, what do you know? Here's my chance. Well, howdy, ma'am. Can Fireman Woody borrow your baby doll for a safety demonstration? That's right. I won't do it again. Ooh, oh my. Rock, do you hear a child crying?
Have no fear, Rock is here!
Sit yourself down while Woody's around.
You're a trainee!
My baby is stuck! Help! Someone help! Nice job. Don't worry, ma'am. A little soap should do the trick.
I'm coming, little lady!
Now look here, bub. My hero.
Yes, I am a hero. How would you like some baby booties for Junior? Woody, a hand. In fact, both hands. Your baby'll have booties faster than you can say Rock Granite would look great in a cape.
I'll make sure this guy doesn't help me out this time. Hello, TV News? There's a big rescue going on down by the firehouse. Yep, get your top reporter over here right away. Woody Woodpecker's saving the day. One hero coming up.
Scoop Sullivan here, reporting on a dramatic rescue.
I, Woody Woodpecker, have saved you and will now give you the breath of life.
This woodpecker's bravery is an inspiration to us all.
Have no fear! Rock is here.
Amazing!
Yes, I am.
Oh, Rock! I'm ready for those crochet lessons you promised.
Really? All righty then. Ah! I'll handle this, trainee.
Come back here! I got you now!
Give me that net. And stay off that fire truck! Hell, fire! Hell, fire!
Oh, no! A perfect fit. Just how I like them. Well done.
Why are you sitting around out here, trainee Granite?
Trainee?
And why isn't the truck washed? How do you expect to become a real fireman if you don't do your job?
But Chief, the woodpecker, can I crochet a muffler? A pair of socks? Chief, you look snappy in a knitted bathing suit.
Oh, yeah. What a day.
Thanks for saving my cart, Woodpecker. As far as I'm concerned, you get free hot dogs for life.
Oh, boy. Starting now?